morning students. Today we will do the revision of chapter first. So the name of the chapter is material heritage. Okay. So what it means, material heritage? It means all the historical things that exist even today also, and also we can see and touch these things like Taj Mahal. We can see the Taj Mahal, we can touch the Taj Mahal. Okay. So in this video we will revise about the Taj Mahal, Nalanda University, Connaught Temple, Golconda Fort, Mysore Palace, Humayun Tomb, Jantar Mantar, Cathedral Church. Okay. So the first is Taj Mahal. It's very famous and it is one of the 7 wonders of the world. Okay. So Taj Mahal was built in 17th century. It was built by Mughal Emperor Shah Jahan and in memory of his beloved wife Mumtaz Mahal. So the white marble is basically used to build the Taj Mahal. White marble and semi-precious stone have been used. More than 1,000 artisans and craftsmen work on it. Okay. So Taj Mahal was built in 17th century by Shah Jahan in memory of his beloved wife Mumtaz Mahal. Okay. So this is about Taj Mahal. It is one of the 7 wonders of the world. 7 wonders of the world. And where it is situated? It is situated on the bank of river Yamuna in Agra. Okay. So where is Agra? It is in UP, Uttar Pradesh. Okay. Then we have Nalanda University. Nalanda University. University means जो कि हायर एजुकेशन के लिए जैसे स्कूल है, उसमें आपकी क्या है, फर्स्ट टू 12 तक स्टडी होती है, लाइक नर्सरी, एलकेजी, यूकेजी. ओके. वैसे ही जैसे स्कूल के बाद कॉलेज होता है, देन कॉलेज के ऊपर सुपरवाइज करने के लिए जो यूनिवर्सिटी होती है, यूनिवर्सिटी में क्या होती है, उसके अंडर बहुत सारे कॉलेजेस होते हैं और यूनिवर्सिटी में भी बहुत सारे कोर्सेज होते हैं. लाइक तो जो नालंदा यूनिवर्सिटी थी, इट इज वेरी ओल्ड. इन ओल्ड टाइम इट वाज वेरी फेमस यूनिवर्सिटी. ओके. And the people from China and all over the world used to came here and they used to study here. So Nalanda University was built about 1500 years ago. It is an ancient center for learning located near Patna. So where is Patna? It is in Bihar. Okay. So what is the capital of we can say Bihar? Bihar की capital क्या है? What is the capital of Rajasthan? Jaipur. Like that only, capital of Bihar is Patna. The residential university means जो students इसमें study करते थे, they used to stay there only. It used to attract students and philosophers from all over the world, and mainly Nalanda University is famous for its biggest library. It is said that there is the biggest library in the Nalanda University and it was destroyed one Mughal empire. Okay. The next is Connaught Temple. Okay. Connaught Temple. So it is situated in Connaught, Odisha. It is very beautiful temple, and it is also called Sun Temple because it is built on the name of Sun God. सूर्य देवता के नाम पे बना हुआ है, इसलिए उसको Sun Temple भी बोला जाता है. And where it is located? Situated in Odisha. Okay. Then next we have Golconda Fort. Golconda Fort is situated near Hyderabad in Andhra Pradesh. It was built in the 13th century. It has a 10-kilometer long thick outer wall. So the most interesting feature about the fort is that when the king clapped inside the we can say fort, that it was here on the main gate of the fort. So this is very interesting feature about this fort. So Golconda Fort is situated in near Hyderabad, Andhra Pradesh. Then next we have Mysore Palace. Okay. So this Mysore Palace is situated in Mysore. It is in Karnataka. This famous palace was built in the 14th century And the palace is a blend of Hindu, Muslim and Western architecture. Means we cannot say that it is of it belongs to mainly Hindu architecture or Muslim. It is mixture of Hindu Muslim. Okay. It is built from stone and has 3 stereo and with deep pink marble. The palace has carved rooms, royal wedding hall, temple, bill, public court, armory. So armory means where the different collection of weapons are kept. So that is called armory. Okay. So Dussehra festival has been celebrated at the palace for the last 200 years. Okay. Then next we have Humayun Tomb. Humayun Tomb. Humayun is the father of very famous Mughal Empire Akbar. Okay, you must have listened the name of Akbar. So Humayun was the father of Akbar, and Humayun tomb mainly means it is like a temple. Okay, so Humayun tomb was built by his wife. Okay, in Delhi. And it has 4 बाग गार्डन, मतलब इसको 4 बाग गार्डन की पद्धति पे बनाया गया है. एंड इट इज फेमस गार्डन टॉम इन इंडिया. एंड बिकॉज ऑफ दैट इट इज फेमस कि इसका जो बाग इसमें जो गार्डन बनाया गया है, बिकॉज ऑफ दैट इट इज़ वेरी फेमस. एंड इट इज बिल्ड विद द रेड स्टोन. ओके, so Humayun Tomb is now a World Heritage Site. Okay, now it is also a World Heritage Site. Then Cathedral Church, it is in Goa and it is famous for the longest bell in church. Okay, and that is also called Golden Bell. Then Jantar Mantar, where it is located? Jantar Mantar is located in Jaipur, Rajasthan. Okay. You must have visited, you have seen the Jantar Mantar. If you have not seen, if you get time, now it is the time of, we can say, so Jantar Mantar in Jaipur, Rajasthan, and it is built by Maharaja Jai Singh in the 18th century, and it has the largest observatory. So what is the meaning of observatory? Observatory means a place where the stars are observed, planet stars are observed. Okay. So the observatory has 14 large instruments to measure the time and determine the position of planets. Okay. So the shadow of there is this biggest sundial in the Jantar Mantar. Whenever you visit, you must see that. So the sundial move with every second and can tell the time with precision. Okay, so it tell the time, that sundial move with every second, and that is very biggest sundial. So the next we have the next is the pillar of Empire Ashoka. Okay, so Empire Ashoka constructed many tall pillars with inscription on them. Inscription means उन पे लिखा होता था, जैसे जो पिलर स्टोन वगैरह पे लिखा गया था, पिलर्स पे लिखा गया था, उसको इंस्क्रिप्शन बोलते हैं. एंड मैन्युस्क्रिप्ट जो कि लीफ पे जो हमें देखने को मिलती है, दे आर कॉल्ड मैन्युस्क्रिप्ट्स. सो दे वर मेड ऑफ ए सिंगल पीस ऑफ स्टोन. दे वर पुट अप इन मैनी पार्ट्स ऑफ हिज किंगडम. So the pillar found at Sarnath near Varanasi was built around 3rd to 4th century. It has 4 loins looking out in the 4 direction. मतलब 4 उसपे शेर बने हुए हैं, चारों अलग अलग डायरेक्शन में देख रहे हैं. And this is now our national emblem, and this can also be seen on the currency and our coins. You can at your home, you can see on coins. Then Khajuraho temple. So in Madhya Pradesh is very famous for group of Hindu and Jain temples. These temples were built by Chandela Rajput of Rajasthan. Okay, so there were 3 group of temples: Western, Eastern, and Southern. Okay, so the main thing about this is that The wall are carved with beautiful human figures and shows the common life of the people. Okay, means on these temple human beings are made carved, we can say कि उनकी दीवारों पे ह्यूमन बींग्स को बनाया गया, उनके लाइफ स्टाइल को दिखाया गया, उससे पता चलता है कि उनकी जो कॉमन लाइफ थी उस टाइम वो कैसी थी. देन फतेहपुर सीकरी, इट इज ऑल्सो इन राजस्थान. सो द मुगल were a density of empire who left us with a rich heritage like the Taj Mahal. Empire Akbar built the city of Fatehpur Sikri between 1570 AD and 1586 AD. Fatehpur Sikri was the capital of the Mughal Empire. It is entered through a huge gateway called the Buland Darwaja. Okay, so Buland Darwaja is in Fatehpur Sikri, which is over 53-meter high. Akbar lived there for 12 years. It is still in good condition. So red stone are used. Akbar was a lover of art during the reason many talented people work in this court. Okay, so students, we have revised about Taj Mahal, Nalanda University, Connaught Temple, Golconda Fort, Mysore Palace, Humayun Tomb, then Cathedral Church, Jantar Mantar, Pillar of Empire Ashoka, Khajuraho Temple and Fatehpur Sikri. Okay, so revise these heritage from your book and also watch the video. If you face any problem, any doubt, you are free to ask. Thank you, students.